Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change door pins on a Chevy Silverado. To begin, you'll need to gather a few common hand tools. Make sure you have a hammer, a suitable punch, and a complete new door pin and bushing kit. Safety is paramount, so always wear your safety glasses and gloves. If your door has dropped, a jack or a strong support will be incredibly helpful for proper alignment, making the job much smoother and easier to manage. Now that you have your tools ready, the next step is to remove the old, worn-out door pins. It's crucial to support the door properly. You don't want it to sag or fall once the pins are out. Using your punch and hammer, carefully tap the old pins upwards or downwards, depending on their orientation, until they are completely dislodged. Don't forget to remove any fragments of the old bushings that might still be stuck in the hinge, ensuring a clean slate for the new parts. With the old components removed, it's time for the installation of your new door pins and bushings. Start by inserting the new bushings into the hinge holes. They should fit snugly. Next, carefully align the door so that the hinge holes line up perfectly. Then, gently tap the new door pins through the bushings and hinges. Take your time to ensure everything is aligned. Once installed, test the door's movement to confirm it opens and closes smoothly without any catching or stiffness. After installing the new pins, perform several final checks. Open and close the door multiple times to ensure it operates perfectly, with no binding or excessive play. A crucial step for longevity is to apply a small amount of high-quality grease to the new pins. This will ensure smooth operation and significantly extend their lifespan. For the best results and consistent performance, it's often a good idea to replace all the door pins and bushings on both the driver and passenger sides at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.